Greetings! Okay, battery is low, so better hurry up and record this video. Basically, linear inequalities is what we went over. It was linear inequalities and linear equalities. And, hang on. Hey, no, I'm just recording a math video. That's okay, I paused it. No, what you got? Yeah. Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, okay, we'll talk later. Okay, bye. That is amazing. Wait, what the heck? What? That moment when you realize you just recorded an entire lesson and yeah, it wasn't recording. Linear inequalities. So basically, what we talked about, linear inequalities, there was two things I did know. One of the things I did know was the 2x equals 0. Basically, when you're solving for x, like what is x? And whenever anything is multiplied and equals 0, you automatically know that x times anything is always going to equal 0. So those are pretty simple, pretty easy. There's only like, I think there maybe been one like that in the homework. And then you got stuff like 2d plus 5 equals 15. You know, something like that right there. You would actually solve by, so 2d plus 5. So you would move the 5 over. So it'd be minus 5. So now you have 2d equals 10. And then you're going to do, move it again. So 2d, you're going to divide 2 on each side. So 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. So now you have a d equals 5. And there you go. It solved it for you. So there you go. I did know how to do that. What I did also forget, though, was the word problems. Of course, it's, word problems. Those are usually the trickier ones. I got to pull this up again. If a number x is less than 6 minus twice its opposite, what are the possible numbers? Stuff like that. That messed me up. But really, it's easier than it sounds. And x is greater than negative 6. Because when you plug that in, basically, like, what are the possibilities of this? And the only possibility was it being negative 6. I mean, greater than negative 6, because anything less than that wouldn't work. I mean, it was just, actually, I think it was, yeah, that was it. So, so that one was pretty simple. So that one I didn't understand, but it was kind of simple to learn and figure out again. The next thing, though, let's take a little break real quick. Just a quick break to help your mind calm down, and you can think better when you calm down. Intermission is over. So the next thing I had was this next problem. Here's my pencil. 3. Yeah, 3. Okay, so 3 times 3f minus 2 is greater than 4f minus 3. This one took me a while because I kept on trying to find the actual number. But what it wanted was this. It wanted you to put it in fractional form. So it ended up being 3 over 5. F is greater than 3 over 5. And I was like, what in the world? So I missed that a few times. And thankfully, the homework will help you work it out. And so I ended up, of course, getting credit for that one. But I didn't know you had to put it in fraction. I was trying to find a legit number. Dude, the video is delayed. Like, I moved like a second later. It's kind of crazy. But I think I just broke my camera. Hopefully you can still hear me, but the camera no longer works. Guys, remember, if you ever mean to scoot up your chair, don't scoot it up too far where it breaks your camera and you fall on the ground and also hurt your shoulder a little bit. So keep it real. I think I covered everything. Time to fix this camera, I guess so. Maybe I can, let me see if I can try plug it. Whoa! Ow!